Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dominican Republic.
Really?
It's in the Caribbean.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know? So I'll tell you. I don't know if you know where it is, but it's close to Cuba, Jamaica, Puerto Rico.
Mm-hmm.
In that region.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And
Okay.
where are you? Where are you from?
I am from India.
Oh, you're from India.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you. And
Nice to
you,
meet you too. What's your name?
it's Annabelle.
Annabelle. Okay.
Annabelle.
Yes,
Yeah,
nice
and
name.
thank you. And your
My name
name
is
is
Sahiba.
Sahiba?
Mm-hmm.
Sahiba.
Yes.
Okay, cool. And how old are you?
I am 17.
You're 17. Okay.
Yes. What about you?
I'm a little, well, I'm much older than you. I'm 29.
Mm-hmm. 29. You look
Yeah.
26.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, are you still in school?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm student.
And okay, how are your classes going?
I am in 12th grade.
Okay, so is
Mhm.
that last year?
Yes,
It's
I
exciting.
am in high school.
You
Hmm.
excited to be almost done?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What's
And
your profession? What do you do?
me, I'm a speech language pathologist, and I
Mm-hmm.
work with young children
Mm-hmm.
that have communication problems.
Oh.
So some children with autism,
Mm-hmm.
or I also work with children who maybe they cannot like speak properly, or maybe
Yes.
they're not speaking yet.
Uh-huh.
But I work mostly with very little children, like
Oh.
about 3 years old. Yeah.
Oh, 3 years. Very
Yeah, yeah.
small.
Yeah, very small, very, very active.
Hmm.
And yeah,
Wow.
yeah. So, what would you like to study later you finish high school?
Yeah, I will go to college. Mm, I want to become an Islamic scholar, and
Oh,
yes,
nice, nice.
yeah.
And then
Uh,
how many years of study will you need?
I think 3 or 4 years.
3 or 4 years. Okay,
Yeah,
that's not
yeah.
bad. That's like the standard, right? So,
Yes,
uh,
yes.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's quite
So,
nice.
uh, mm, what do you what do you like to do in your free time? Tell me.
My free time. Um,
Mm-hmm.
well, I like to spend time with my family and friends. I am
Wow.
trying to I'm trying to exercise a little bit more. So go for a walk or a run. And I like going to
Wow.
the botanical garden
Uh-huh.
in my city.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, that's what I'm doing now. But I also like to read and to paint just
Oh,
for
you good.
fun. Yeah, you like to paint?
Yes, I really like.
Oh,
I
that's
like
good. Are you
I like reading and I like painting as well in my free time. Yes.
okay? Yeah, it's very relaxing for me.
Yeah.
if I'm if I'm honest, I'm only decent. I'm not so good, but I like it.
Oh.
I enjoy it. I'm just like,
Yeah, yeah,
I'm not
enjoy.
yeah, yeah. I'm not amazing, but
Mm-hmm.
it's nice. It's very relaxing. It's very I like
Time
feeling
pass.
like I'm being creative. Yeah. You know, it's a hobby. It's a hobby.
Yeah, hobby. So,
Yeah.
do you like any sports?
Yeah, I do actually. I like sports
What kind of
too.
sport?
You mean to watch or to play myself?
Mm-hmm.
No, like well, I like to watch many kinds of sports, like
Okay.
soccer or
Okay,
football.
watching, not play.
Um, I used to play before soccer, but
Oh, soccer.
not for a few years. um, I'm when I was younger. Now I'm a little
Yeah, yeah.
too
Yes.
rusty for that. Um, and yeah, so I used to play soccer, and when I was
Oh,
in high school.
basketball.
Yeah, when I
Wow.
was in high school, but I stopped. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I stopped basketball after high school, and I stopped playing soccer like 5 years ago, maybe, just because
Mm.
I was doing my master's, and then I was just too busy, and
Mm-hmm.
I stopped. But I do like to and try to be active,
Mm-hmm.
and I like to watch baseball. Me and
Uh-huh.
my family, we watch a lot of baseball because it's like it's the biggest sport in my country.
Mm-hmm. So, do you live with your family, right?
Yes, right
Right
now
now.
I am living with my family. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You are married or single?
I'm single, not married yet.
Okay. Oh,
Hmm.
so you have sibling?
Uh-huh. I have two brothers and two sisters.
Five.
Yeah, it's five of us, a big
Me
family.
too.
You
Uh,
too?
I have two older brother and one older sister and me. Four.
Okay, so four. Oh, so you're the
Yes.
youngest one.
Yeah, four
Okay.
children.
I'm the fourth one. So,
You are
um,
youngest or middle?
no, the fourth.
Fourth number. Okay.
Yeah. Um,
Okay.
yeah. And so, wait, I wanted to ask you about the sports. Do you play sports as well?
No, actually, I don't like any sports, but sometimes I play badminton.
Oh, okay. That's a
Yeah.
sport. Yeah,
You play
that's good.
badminton?
Uh, I think I tried, not really, just,
Oh.
but I know what it is. It's just not. It's not very common in my country.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
But yeah, and okay, so you have three older siblings, and
Mm-hmm.
do you live with all of them?
Yes.
Okay. And yeah,
Yeah. What time is it there?
it's
I think night.
two
Night?
no, it's daytime. It's almost
Oh,
3 p.m.
array. Oh my
Yeah.
God. Here,
What
12 a.m.
So it's
morning.
midnight.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Actually, I go to sleep 12 o'clock, but today I am late.
Oh, are you not sleepy?
I am pretty late. Yeah.
You're not sleepy?
No, not yet. अभी तक नहीं. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's because you're young, you know? If it's me, I like by midnight I'm like so
Okay.
sleepy.
You know Urdu language or Hindi?
Yeah. I
Urdu.
do because
You speak Urdu?
yeah.
You can speak?
No, I don't. I don't. I have heard them. I have heard them because
Okay,
I
okay,
have
okay.
friends from Pakistan.
Yeah.
So yeah, so they speak Urdu, and so
Mm-hmm.
but I don't speak it.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
nice to meet you.
it was so nice to meet
See you
you.
again.
Hope
Yeah.
to see you
Bye
again.
bye.
Bye. Take care.